All right, Roblox. Roblox got that really high volume at the low, and I'm not really confident that this was a breakaway gap because technically it's still within the range, so it didn't break out of the big support area. So really, I think this actually might be bullish, and me, this stock is kind of nonsense, bearish long term personally, but that doesn't matter. I like this chart short term, and short term is say, okay, we got really high volume, potentially a lot of shorts trapped there. This has been a long term support area many times. Here we're overextended out of that lower Bollinger. Okay, a lot of people thinking bearish this name. We already broke above the high of that earnings day. So now anyone who's short or sold is kind of in the red. And if it starts moving up, we can get a little bit of FOMO potentially to the daily red line. Daily red line on Monday might be around 33, 34, give or take, something to keep an eye on. And weekly lower Bollinger Band could be a resistance area as well to keep an eye on next week. But overall, personally, looking for a little bit more bounce on Roblox. Let's look on the hourly time frame, see how it's looking. Thus far, higher lows and higher highs on the hourly. So ideally, bulls are going to want to hold that support around 3106. And if the bulls can hold that support, you want to look to get in around there, 3106. But just above there, if you can look to get in, you can have a tight stop loss. And then get that high. If we get that higher low, we could go break that high around 3198. So ideally, look to get in on potential support above 3106 area. Then we could get that higher low and potentially see a new high this week, maybe 33 or higher. Something I'm watching out for, leaning bullish Roblox at this time. Unless it breaks below 31, I would view that as a negative sign. So keeping an eye on that as well.